To create worksheet, select the subject of your class. Suppose it is social science. Now select third button worksheet generator from the 3 buttons. Now this screen has chapters list. Select some chapters from given list or select all. Then touch round button to go forward. I am selecting 4 chapters. Chapter 1, 6, 12 and 17, then touching forward button at right bottom corner. Now this screen has weightage. You can change weightage if needs. Here I am not changing any weightage and going forward by touching the next button. Now this screen is blueprint screen. Here you can create customized blueprint. Worksheet creation is best for self-practice of students. So I am creating blueprint with various question categories. For that, touching question categories like as MCQ, very short answer and long answer from bottom button shown with different marks. I am adding number of question that I want according question category. That change you can see in above colorful panel. After completing blueprint, I am going to next screen by touching next button. Our worksheet has been generated with full solution. You can see this by scrolling. If you want to change any question, then you can touch that question and make that change. I am going to next screen without any change by touching next button. This is print setting screen. Fill the form with necessary details like as your watermark, your worksheet title as per choice. Here you can create worksheet with line or without line. First I am creating worksheet with lines and touch the save button and create worksheet. This is preview screen where you can see worksheet as blueprint. You can see lines between 2 question to right answer. Now I am going to back to create worksheet without line. Again this is print setting screen. I am going to down by scrolling and selecting without line, then touching the save button. You can see there is blank space between 2 question to right answer. This our worksheet without lines.